what's in my hand? Ah, a golden ball. What a beauty. It does something very special. When I put it on the table, look at that. That's not like an ordinary ball at all. There's something going on there. Something inside is making it behave very strangely. Just to test it, I thought I'd demonstrate it on a slope like this, and to show this is a real slope. This is an ordinary marble, and when I put it on there, it does what you expect. It runs off because gravity is pulling it downwards. Just a normal slope of plastic, and that's what happens. Now, when we put this on, what will happen? Almost nothing. It's wobbling about, but now it's going to be still. Ah, now I'm afraid you've got to be patient, but really patient.